Hello my friends, you are welcome in this English YouTube class. Now I am going to tell you how to learn to speak English. We here in India, English is as the second language. Our first language is Hindi. We are Hindi speakers, so it is a little bit tough for us to learn to speak English because here there is the lack of atmosphere of speaking English at our homes, in our friends circles. There is the low atmosphere of speaking English, so it is hard to learn to speak English. And without learning English, we cannot get the higher jobs because now at present English is the compulsory for the most of the competitive exams like in Navy, Air Force and Army for the higher posts like Commander, Commandant, so Lieutenant. For that post English is the compulsory. Not only that, in armed forces, in courts, in SSC exams, in banks and other insurance companies, most of the other companies, English is the compulsory language if we want to get the job. So for the job seekers, English is must to learn to speak. So how we can learn English to speak? This is the really important. I want to tell you how we can learn English. First and foremost point of learning English is listening. Learn English as a child. A child learn his mother tongue at the age of 6, 7, 8 without forcing, by listening. So we can learn English by listening. Listen, get the habit of listening, listening news, listening YouTube classes. So listening is the first and foremost practice to learn to speak English. We can speak English by listening, and without listening we cannot speak the English. So the first step is listening practice. Do get more and more listening practice and it's became easy to learn to speak English. So the first point is listening. And the second is speaking. Whenever you get chance within our friends, within in family, everywhere where you are at the hotel, we are at the shop, and we are in the market, never hesitate to speak English. If you really want to learn to speak English, if you hesitate, if you feel shame, if you feel something hesitation, then you cannot learn to speak English. So the first thing is that remove your hesitation to speak English. Without removing hesitation, we cannot learn to speak. Where you will get chance? Suppose that you are in the schools, most of the school children, school students, they can't speak English, they can't express their ability. So what I want to tell you, if you are a student and you are reading in the school, so whenever you get chance to speak with your teacher, to speak with your friend, to speak with your classmates, never hesitate, because hesitation is the blockage of speaking of your English. So whenever you get chance of speaking English, speak it, express yourself. Without speaking, without practicing, you cannot learn to speak English. So the first thing, listening, and second thing, speaking. Then reading with understanding. Whenever you get chance of reading English, like stories, essay, and many other articles in newspaper, in a book, read English with comprehension. Read English with understanding. Understanding the every word. So whenever you get chance of reading, read more and more English, so that you can get new vocabularies, new ideas, new thinking, and paying full attention. So reading is also one of the best way to learn to speak, because in reading we get to learn new vocabulary, new words. So it is really important to read with understanding. Third and fourth point, think in English. Thinking in English. Suppose that you are not getting listener, you have hesitations to speak someone to in English. So you can think in English. Directly think in English. How can I speak this? How can I speak this? So thinking English also improve your speaking abilities. Without thinking, you cannot express your idea. So whenever you are alone, practice to think in English, not try to translate. If you get the habit of translating, we cannot able to learn to speak English. So the first and most thing is that think in English. Whenever you get chance, think in English and then speak. Directly thinking make you more and more qualified for speaking English. So these are the most important things that we should keep in mind while speaking, while practicing English. If you are lacking English and you want to learn, then these are the really helpful for all of you to learn English. Most of the people say that it's very tough, it's very hard to learn to speak English. We are not able to learn English. But I say, if you are determined, if you are resolved to speak, to learn, no one can stop you. Many people say you have to do the coaching, you have to remain in touch, you have to remain in the surrounding. No, there is no need of it. If you decided, then no one can stop you. You may be able to speak in English, but the only you have to do, they are these things. In the schools, most of the schools in our area, the English schools, they are called the English schools, but there is the very lack of English atmosphere of speaking English. The students comes and the teachers are not able to speak the English. They speak their mother tongue. So how they can create the English atmosphere? So it's very necessary to speak whenever you get chance. Listen whenever you get chance. Think in English whenever you get chance. And you can also take parts in debates, storytelling, and quiz. So these are really helpful. And nowadays, the YouTube is the most important platform of learning English. So in your Android phones, you can download the videos of English speakers, native English speakers, local English speakers. so they can helpful for all of you to learn to speak English. Thank you.